If you want to improve your pull-up, then you need to do the pull-down. The pull-down will really work on your scapular retraction and will start to strengthen your lats in a move that mimics the pull-up. To do the pull-down, you can either hold the band in each hand, or you can place it around the back of your wrists, hands, or even your forearms. The higher up your arm the band is, the easier the movement will be. Do not hold the band in your hands if you can't keep tension on the band the entire time. With the band around each arm or in both hands, extend your hands up towards the ceiling. Stand tall, pressing your chest out and squeezing your glutes. Draw your shoulder blades down and back. Keeping tension on the band and your arms about shoulder width apart, pull the band down towards your chest. Feel the sides of your back working to pull the band down to your chest, with your chest pressed out and open toward the ceiling. Hold for a second at your chest, and then extend your arms back up towards the ceiling. Make sure that you do not feel this move in your low back. Also make sure that you do not shrug your shoulders. You want the big muscles of your back to engage to help you strengthen your back for pull-ups. You can either do this move for repetitions, or you can hold the band down at your chest for an isometric move. No matter which you do, make sure to consciously engage your back and draw your shoulder blades down and together. Make sure that you keep tension on the band the entire time.